haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Watch until the end to see how you can enter this giveaway. So this is the pattern that we're gonna use today. It's the mushroom. So today we need some red color, white color, and some marshmallow. As you can see, the face, the body. We'll need some marshmallow, and then we'll need a couple of black. So let's get started. And as you can see, I like to put the beads on the board, so I don't have to keep picking it from the little tray. It's easier for my wrist, and it goes faster. And again, like I put them on like all the same color on the board. It's gonna be so much faster and easier, and if you do a lot of this, it's better for your arm and your wrist. So if you want to build this on your own, or you want to look at the ironing part, you can go ahead and fast forward to the ironing part. If not, you can build with me. Okay, so now we're gonna go fast forward for just a little bit, and then we're gonna come back to the normal speed. Usually I take my time in the beginning, and then all of a sudden I will start feeling I'm rushing, but don't rush, because a lot of time when we're rushing, we have an extra layer of beads, or we make a mistake and then we have to refix the pieces. Alright, so we got all the pieces built, and it's really good to do a quick pattern check just to make sure before we iron them, so we don't make any mistake and it saves our time. So now it's time to melt the beads. I like to use a small iron because I work with each single piece. And then the ironing paper, I use the Pearl brand most of the time, but sometimes when I run out, then I'll use just the 𝐓𝐎𝐿 paper. It also works, but with this ironing paper, it's better, I think, but it's up to you. So it's time to iron. Paste the paper on top of the pieces and start using the iron, and then just lightly touch the surface so you can see the piece is starting to melt on the paper. And if you're a beginner and you don't know what heat it's setting is good for the ironing process, test it out. Maybe just use one, build one piece and see how it looks. So slightly press it onto the pieces, and then just have them stabilize on that paper. Then we're gonna work on circling on the paper and try not to over melt on each piece. As you can see, I go around and just try to work on each piece carefully. And now you can see they still have hole on each bead, but they are all stick on the paper. So this is how ideal I like my pieces to be, because I don't want them to be over melt. I kind of like to see the hole still in the beads, but they're all like very solid, that they're stick to each other. Now we can peel off the paper and start examining each pieces to see if they're good, or some pieces are not good enough, that they're gonna be falling off. You don't want that. And here you can see I found 2 pieces that I feel that I want to do a little bit more ironing on it, because maybe like the corner piece was not really melt, so it's not strong enough. So when I do the building the pieces together, that piece might be coming off or chipped off, and you just want to pay more attention, but still just easily doing that process. Now you can see that they're looking great. Each of them still have the hole in the middle, and then they're very solid. Alright, so this is what I got for you today to build the perfect pieces for your 3D perler. And go to the link above to go to the video and to build your mushroom. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks! Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram to see how you can win this. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!